producer. This is my producer. So we're going on a trip, a short trip, a one-night trip, just to make his first vlog.
If people hear your accent, do you think they know you're Filipino?
Of course, because I have Filipino as
how do you say video?
huh?
How do you say video?
Video.
Video sound.
Yeah, so we're going to pick up our breakfast, of course, in our favorite store, Dunkin' Donut. So we're here.
You're gonna order now?
I ordered already, so you need to pick it up. Okay, donut. We're here, donut. Ayan na siya. Okay. He's here. Our donut. Breakfast.
Pisa mo na.
So, bumalik ako sa Dunkin' because mali yung order na binigay sa akin. In-order ko hot, binigay sa akin cold. Hindi daw ako hot. So, mababait naman yung mga tao dito. So, easy to change. Okay, we're here. We're on our way na. We're on our way na sa aming short trip. Eto, palabas pa lang kami ng Staten Island. Punta na kami sa freeway. Is this freeway? No, highway. Basta, ayun. So, this is still at Staten. Yeah. So, eto na yung bridge papuntang New Jersey, right? David? This is the bridge going to New Jersey.
You didn't take it out now. My camera.
Kain na ako, nagugutom na ako. Which one? This? Breakfast time.
You pulled it out. I think this is yours now. You just gave it to me now.
I have different ones. Kain na. Breakfast. Ay! Kain na breakfast. Stop over muna kami here. Gasoline station. Kailangan muna magpagas. Baka ma-stuck kami sa daan. So, nagpapagas lang ang aking chino. Andun siya, nagpapagas. Okay, we're here. Stop over. We need to pee. Punta muna kami. Here. Stop. Ihi muna kami. Ihi na ako. Kailangan ko nang umihi. Kailangan ko nang umihi. Thank you.
What is happening to you?
Thank you. Are we almost there, David? David, are we almost there? Nasaan na tayo? Where are we? We're here in... I think this is upstate already, David.
That's not a good picture.
No, I just want to show them the...
Your follower is gonna get lost.
No, they're not. So, nandito na kami sa bayan ng... Ewan ko kung saan to. Pero, parang nandito kami sa downtown nila. Sa upstate. Welcome to Danny's. To Danny's. Okay. Restaurant. Mahinang reception dito. Nasa bundok na kami. Mahinang signal. Ganda ng view. Nakikita niyo ba yung ulap? Okay. Ayun. Ang ganda. Ayun. Kitang-kita ang ulap.
Kita.
Grabe yung mga bahay dito. Layo-layo. Nice, right? Relaxing. Parang kitang neighborhood dito.
Can you live here?
No, I can't.
Sobrang kita palaga. That's people that's down. Sobrang kita talaga.
I know, but I can't live here. It's far from the city.
This is another city. Grabe, diba?
This is their city, but it's not my city, right? So nag-stop over na naman kami dito. I'm gonna show you the place. Papunta na kami sa hiking trail. Mag-hike muna kami kasi napakaaga pa para mag-check in. So, naghahanap muna kami ng trail na ma-hike. At kanina pa kami naghahanap, di pa rin kami nakakarating. Diba? But, I think we're almost there. 5 minutes away. Tignan natin kung maganda yung trail na napili namin. We're here na. Okay. That's that. Dito na kami, finally.
How can we go if there's no one?
We're here. Okay, we're here. Papalit lang ako ng shoes kasi naka-sandals ako.
Kasi.
Magpalit lang ako ng shoes. The beat your apple. You're wasting money. Ang ingay naman ng kapitbahay. Ang ingay naman ng kapitbahay. Tapos na. Naka-shoes na ako. Maghanap lang kami ng bathroom. Ng restroom pala. Ng restroom. Maghanap lang kami ng restroom. Kasi ingihina ako. So, nandito kami sa Upper Cherrytown. Upper Cherrytown. Let's go. This is the start. Start na kami.
No, we cannot go. We don't have water. We need to pee. How can we go?
Dito kami kakain muna ng lunch namin. Diyan kami magla-lunch. Pizza. So, eto ang lunch namin. Pizza. Lunch muna bago mag-hike. Right, David? Oh, yummy. Kain muna tayo ng pizza. Yummy. Ah. Ang init.